This video going to become very interesting and fascinating. You can see a very beautiful and charming nail art designs that every girl should try on their nails. If you want to look more beautiful and stylish, then you should try these nail art designs. All these nail arts are very minimal and very sophisticated and very outstanding nail art designs. Try out these nails and use embellishments on your nails. You can use these nail art on your wedding, any party or occasions. All these nail arts are very interesting and very beautiful nail arts. If you want to create these nail arts, you can easily create. You can add some stars on your French tips, and you can also add some stones, multicolor stones on your nails. If you want to see any nail art tutorial, then tell me in the comment section, and see you soon for the next exciting nail art videos. Thank you.